Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a spec comparison between the LG Q7 and the Samsung Galaxy A6. We're going to put them side by side and see which one has the better specs. Now these phones are two sort of brand new phones to the market, both mid-range phones, both in sort of the $300 to $500 price range. And they're very similar, but they do have their differences, and you will see in a second. Software-wise, the Q7 does come with a newer version of Android, 8.1 Oreo, so it does take it for that category, and I forgot to circle that one, so no biggie there. In terms of screen, the A6 is slightly bigger at 5.6 inches, whereas the Q7 is 5.5. Now the A6 does have a Super AMOLED display, so it is a hair brighter and more vibrant than the Q7. The Super AMOLED display is the same screen that the S5 and the S6, I believe the S6 for sure, the S6 had. So very beautiful, very bright screen, and a little bit bigger, so it does take it for that category. Camera, you are getting a better camera on the A6, 16 megapixel front and 16 megapixel rear with a front flash, no comparison there. Internal memory, this is where the Q7 shines. It does have 64 gigs of internal memory. After you subtract the operating system, you get 49 gigs to work with, whereas on the A6 you get a disappointing 23 gigs after subtracting the operating system and pre-installed apps. So if you're in this purchase for a phone with more storage, the Q7 is your buy hands down. Battery wise, you get a slightly bigger battery on the A6 at 3000 milliamps. It's very minute, basically only 100 milliamp difference, and they're both non-removable. Processor wise, a little bit faster on the Q7 at 1.8 gigahertz versus 1.6 on the Samsung. You also get more RAM on the Q7, 4 gigs. And then in terms of the extras, you are getting an IP68 water resistant feature on the Q7, as well as fingerprint and facial recognition, and the Q lens, which is a smart camera allowing you to scan things and it to show you where to buy it or translate text, things like that. The A6 does have the front flash, fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, Bixby Assistant. They also have Bixby allows you to do the smart AI features with your camera as well. And it has Bluetooth 5.0, which allows you to pair two Bluetooth devices at one time. So these two phones definitely have their unique features. Just to sort of sum it up, if you're more into camera, that's what would really swing you towards the A6. 16 front and rear is just awesome. Okay, but if storage and speed is more of your forte, then the Q7 is the phone for you. Definitely get more storage, more expandability, a faster processor, and more RAM. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.